Yo Patrick, do you use crappy animations for your overlays in Capcut?
Yeah, bro, I use!
In this video, I will show you how to use keyframes in Capcut. This will make your videos more high quality and more entertaining to watch. This is the website where I got the transparent images from. Okay, so get whatever background you want, and then you want to go on overlays. Then pick whatever image you want. I just chose this Lightning McQueen one. Then you want to shrink it or expand it to the size you want. Once you've done that, click on your image here. Once it shows two white lines next to it, click on this button right here. It will show this mark here. It's a bit like a checkpoint. Make sure that white line stays right where that mark is. Now move the image where you want it to go. I just did it down the lawn. Now move that white line at the end of the image. Press that button again. It will show this mark at the end of the image. Then move that photo where it was at the start. It should look something like this. Now let's do another one but with more keyframes. I want to make this one look like it's going up a hill and then down one. Now with every motion you do with that photo, make sure you press that checkpoint button. So I'm going to move the photo forward. Move that timeline just a little bit. Now I'm going to move the image diagonally. Then I'll press the keyframe button. Then move it again. Move that white line just a little bit. Press the keyframe button. Now keep repeating that process until you're happy with what you've got. I'll just speed run this bit. Okay, I've just finished it. This is what it looks like.